Good morning, it's Jody here from Joli Natural Skincare, and today I wanted to show you how to make lemon verbena iced tea. Now this is a great bevvy for really hot summer days, and I'll just show you how hot it is here at the moment. Right, I'm in the country, and I found this candle that used to sort of be standing upright. But it's so hot that it's bent the candle down. That's how hot it is in this house. So the perfect drink to go with that heat is an iced lemon verbena tea. So we start off with 6 cups of water, and to that we add a handful or two, great, I'm competing with the lawnmower, a handful or two of lemon verbena leaves. We bring that to the boil, and then we turn the heat off and we leave that to sit overnight with the lid on. Having the lid on means that all the liquid goes up here and then drips back down, so you're not getting a lot of that evaporation. Okay, that's the first step. The second step is to get yourself some sugar water. So sugar water is 1 cup of water, 1 cup of sugar, and to that we add about 1 cup of lemon verbena leaves while it's still warm. The liquid is still warm. Now, it says to process these leaves with the sugar in a blender, but there's no blender here at this country house, so I'm just going to give it a bit of a mash with a rolling pin, and that'll just help release some of the flavours in the leaves there. It'd be good if I had a mortar and pestle, but I don't have that either. Alternatively, I can sort of scrunch it with my hands, rip the leaves up a little bit if I want. Ooh, what are you doing out there? Okay. Now, once this step is done, we would leave this to sit until it's completely cool. Then we add the sugar syrup. We strain the leaves out of the sugar syrup, then we add the sugar syrup to the tea, and we also strain the leaves out of this. So once those 2 steps are done, you can then store your bevvy in an old wine bottle such as this and keep in the fridge. Once it's chilled and cool, you're ready to go. Now it is best to leave both of these things to steep overnight, but you can have them straight away if you're really thirsty and you're hankering for a drink. Now if you have any questions, let me know. Otherwise, feel free to give me a like, a thumbs up for some support, or leave a comment and subscribe to my channel. That'd be great. Thank you very much for watching.